in a long words, I would say, always I am saying in one sentence to my friends, it means that sports खेलो, राम खेलो, सदाई fit रहंदो, सदाई जेको है सो नौजवान रहंदो, and you would be mixing with the elders as well as the youngsters. So today is about the sports. While I am saying the sports के ownership खपे, and again our institutions, our universities needs ownership. If you are giving the ownership, then the universities and our institutions will grow. Ownership from these higher authorities, ownership from the teachers, ownership from all the stakeholders, even from the students, officers. That's the only need of the time, that we need ownership for the institutions. And for the health of the organization, again we need sports. And that sports has come from the Higher Education Commission. We are highly thankful to the Madam Shaista, because she is very much considering all the institutions throughout the country. अदो जावेद हिते वेठो आहे जेको अक्सर इन सभिनी शयुनि खे ऑर्गेनाइज करे थो, उनखे जस हुजे. And again I'm coming back to Dr. Murray, because he is organizing this type of the melas always, and always we are being here. हिन यार जे करे असां फिरी करे हिते अची वेंदा आहियूं, ऐं हेॾो सारो मेलो जेको कॾहिं बि शायदि में न थियो हुजे, he is organized. So big claps for this gentleman. इलाही दोस्त वेठा आहिनि, and they are looking at the people, those who are coming at the dais. So with these words, that we need ownership for the institutions from all the corners, from all the stakeholders. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honorable Professor Dr. Khalil Ibupoto, Vice Chancellor, Sharjah University. Now I would like to